Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a McDonald's QR code at the kiosk. And it's really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and do it. You want to approach the kiosk. So you want to find a self-service kiosk at your nearest McDonald's location. And then you basically need to just tap on the screen to begin and select your language preference. So after you do this, you need to look for the QR code scanner, of course. So look for the QR code scanner area, which you'll usually find below or beside the touchscreen, right? And once you find this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and open the McDonald's app and go ahead to the rewards page or the email basically containing your QR code. So you're gonna place your phone or the printed QR code in front of the scanner, and you want to ensure that it's completely, properly aligned with the scanner area. And then you're going to basically wait for the confirmation. So the kiosk will basically detect the QR code and it will apply a discount or load your reward. And then you're going to go ahead and proceed to customize your order. Go ahead, pay, and then you can enjoy your meal. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was helpful to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.